Calvin, can Bitcoin come back down to, $15,000, $16,000? And my answer that I'm explaining to everybody is it can do that, but it would take months if it were to do that. There's way too many places that it would have to break support in order to get down there. That shit would take months. It's not going. It would never happen overnight. Now let's just see if there's some other people that agree with me. When I say other people, I'm talking about hundreds of thousands of people that have liquidity, money, meaning they're shorting and longing the market. Let's see what they're doing. Check it out. Liquidity pools. See that? HTF liquidity levels. That means pools of money. I click on that. Look. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Look, if I turn this off, you see nothing over here. Watch this. I'm going to click this and watch what happens over here. 3, 2, 1. Oh, damn. I didn't even know. What the hell? What is that? This is money. So let me show it to you going up. Okay? Here's what you need to understand about these lines. The small, thin lines means there's not a lot of money there. Not a lot of people confident in what the hell Bitcoin is going to do here. But these ones that are thick, there's a lot of people that are betting that is gonna come up here and do something. So the people, the bulls, people that are bullish, they have their money set up here, right? There's a lot of money sitting up here at $28,123, somewhere around up in here, $28,150 or so dollars. Why is there a lot of money there? Well, look, I'm gonna show you these lines. I'm gonna put my dotted line on it, and then we're gonna follow the dotted line. Look, if you follow this, look. This was the high where it stopped. You see there? People can see that. That's a high. That's a low. Listen to me. Please pay attention. That's a high where it got stopped out right there. And that's a low right there. And so there's a lot of people that have money there. If you go here, you also see that this was where it stopped out here. You can see support here. You see support, resistance. All of this stuff goes all the way back here, man, all the way back to freaking April. So there's a lot of money sitting right there. Who's paying attention? If you come up here, there's a lot of money sitting up here. Let's put my crosshairs right in the middle of that bar where there's a lot of money, and let's follow the cross line. Wow, look at that. There's a stop out right there. There's a stop out. There's a stop out. There's a stop out. There's support. Going all the way here. Stop out. Stop out and support. You see that? There's a lot of money there. You get where this is going, right? That's to the upside. I'm not going to keep going up. Let's go down now. Let's see what people are saying. Oh, man, if Bitcoin comes crashing down, notice I'm good, but I didn't know how good I was. Y'all can look where I literally just created this purple line in front of y'all. Look where the purple line sits. It sits dead in the middle of that shit. Why? Because I know what I'm doing, bro. Trust me when I tell you this. There's a lot of money saying that if Bitcoin comes crashing down, there's a lot of money betting that it will come here because that right there is where the June low was. Remember, if you get past this, that creates a lower low. So there's a lot of money sitting right there, right? Yes. There's not a lot of money sitting all up in here, but look where the next big amount of money is. Right at the bottom of my orange box. Dudes, ladies and gentlemen, come on, man. I'm good. I'm pretty good, yo. Why? Because I already know this is the same thing I've been telling you. There's a lot of liquidity here because of the support and resistance here. Look, resistance. That's support right there. Resistance right here. Support and resistance. You get the idea. You got to know what you're doing is all I'm trying to tell you. Now watch this. I'm going to show you something else. If this right here is, look, because we got a lot of money up here. Look, a lot of money here, a lot of money there. If this is a lot of money sitting right here, and I like it, and there's a lot of money sitting right there, so there's a high, there is a freaking low. Watch this. Pay attention to what I'm doing. I'm just literally going by these liquidity pools. So if I draw this, pay attention to what I'm doing, and I come down here to where this low is, right here. This is about to get confusing for some of y'all. Look, there's my high, there's my low, okay? I can literally see here that if this bounces up, I can see where the bounce would be coming. Look, this is so good. I want to do this a different way because I want y'all to see it. I'm taking these off. I'm doing this so I can clear my chart. I don't like my charts to be messy. Let me save this. Let me get a new chart, show you what I'm talking about. Y'all gonna love this crap, man. Watch this. I'm going here getting a new chart, unnamed chart. I'm going back to Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you something about people like myself, right? So this is the same, we're on Bitcoin, so same chart. I just don't have all my stuff on it. Watch this. I'm going to turn those liquidity pools back on. Watch. Here's the liquidity levels, right? So you can clearly see that there, in that liquidity level, that is a high right there. Down here for this liquidity level, that is a low down there. Watch this. If I take this high where people have a lot of money at, and I pull this low down here, I'm not even going to stop here because I normally would stop mine here, but I'm going to pull it down here to where they have their money. Watch this. I'm going to pull this out too. Look at what's happening here. If that's the low and that's the high, and Bitcoin starts pushing back up, notice how it came up here to the 382 and got rejected. It got past this 236. These right here are called Fibonacci's for those who want to know. It got past the 236 and literally got stopped out right here at the 382. Do you think that this getting stopped out here is absolute dumb luck? I promise you it is not. If for whatever reason it remains bullish, look where all the money is sitting. It's sitting at the 618. This is called the golden ratio. I can't make this shit up. All the money is sitting at the golden ratio number, which is the 618. Somebody should be giving me some fire emojis right now. This is not a damn game. They have their money sitting at the 618. These are people that are, I'm telling you, the people who have their money here, these are real traders. People like me. They have their money sitting at the golden ratio. I can't make that up. Is that crazy? Let me flip my camera around. That's crazy, right? Calvin, that's absolutely insane. I'm just telling you. There's levels to this. If you really want to make money at this and you're following people like me, I'm sharing my intellectual property with you. Take this information. Go listen to other YouTubers. Go listen to other people on TikTok. Go listen to other people on X and whatever. And compare my information with theirs. I promise you, when you come back here, you're going to be like, he know what he's doing. You just can't make this stuff up. You got to really know what you're doing.